What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar has been a popular home remedy for cooking in medical prescription. ACV has not been proven to repair or reproduce health diseases, but can be used in conjunction to increase health benefits. Some people claim that ACV can prevent and repair a variety of diseases, such as malignant. Making apple cider vinegar. Making apple cider vinegar is a little different from apple cider. They are all made from crushed apples, but in ACV the apples are fermented. Fermentation is chemical decomposition. During the fermentation process, the sugar in the apple is converted into alcohol, which is further fermented after adding good bacteria to produce acetic acid. Acetic acid is one of the main components of vinegar and is responsible for the many health benefits of vinegar, including apple cider vinegar. Types of apple cider vinegar. The two ACVs purchased are mainly filtered or unfiltered. The unfiltered includes the maternal body, which appears turbid when viewing the bottle visually. Turbidity does not mean that it has gone bad. There is no maternal body after filtration, and after filtration, it is likely that it has been pasteurized. Both types of ACV can be used in many ways, such as baking, cooking, beauty products, and even cleaning around the house. It is a very versatile ingredient and a very good must-have ingredient.